Hello, and this is the announcement for the Disease Prevention and Control in the Family and the Community Student Video Project for the academic year 2026 to 2027. So within the week, the department will be releasing the group assignments, and you will, with your group, choose a topic from the triple burden of disease found in page 312 of the DPC manual. And you will create a video that lasts a minimum of 30 seconds to 1 minute, and this will be enough time for a television ad, if you remember broadcast television, or a YouTube ad. You have to make sure, of course, that this particular topic is unique to your group. No other groups within your section have chosen the topic. We're still going to determine how we will bring that about, whether you will sign up, you will choose that topic and input it in the Google Drive file where the group assignments are shown, okay? Or you will just have to do it amongst your own section, okay? And you can take whatever aspect of the disease, whether it is the diagnosis or the treatment or the different levels of prevention for that said disease. And just like last year, there is also a theme this year, where last year it is all about health being political, what with the flood control scandals happening in the country, coupled with worsening health outcomes. This year's theme will be rebuilding trust in the scientific and medical establishment. Remember that all medical schools ideally should be training 5 or 6 star physicians. You are not just supposed to be healthcare providers or clinicians. You also have to be health sector managers, policy and decision makers, risk communicators, community leaders, and additionally, scientists with nationalist fervor. We've seen how distrust of the scientific or medical establishment has led to mismanagement of the COVID pandemic. Okay, not just here, but also over in across the Pacific Ocean, where now one of the lead scientists, one of the best infectious disease specialists in a generation, is facing prison time because of trumped up charges. Okay, so the same can be said here, where we have our local health influencers spreading misinformation or even disinformation. We have to get the trust of the public in the medical establishment once again. Okay? And this is this year's theme. Questions, you may post them as a comment in the assignment page where I will be posting this.